Hi, I'm Kara, and I'm going to spend a few minutes showing you how to set up and use the Calypso microphone system. As you can see, these are the accessories that are included along with the microphone. They are the charger, lanyard, lapel clip-on microphone, and an attractive clip-on belt holder. After unpacking the microphone and its accessories, the first step is to let it fully charge. The best way to do this is to let it charge overnight. Take the power cord out and plug it into the charger port on the left side of the microphone. Now, take the power plug end and plug it into a wall socket. Check the top of the microphone where it is labeled BAT, short for battery. A solid red light indicates the microphone is charging. A fully charged battery takes about 14 hours and will provide up to 12 hours of use. Once the battery is fully charged, the microphone can be worn by using its lanyard or its lapel microphone and belt clip. Both of these items are included with the box in your purchase. In either case, it is important to make sure the microphone is positioned properly. A good rule of thumb is to ensure the microphone is 4 to 6 inches below your chin. That equates to about the width of your hand held below your chin. Adjust the lanyard strap or lapel clip accordingly. Once you have the microphone physically adjusted, if you're using the lapel mic, make sure the jack is fully plugged into the microphone. The lapel microphone jack is located on the right side of the microphone. Simply plug the jack into the auxiliary port. Now that we've learned about charging and positioning the mic, let's turn it on. Turn on the microphone by briefly pushing and releasing the center button. On the top of the microphone, the link light will verify it is working with a steady red light. If you leave the classroom, the link light will start flashing until you return to the room. A steady link light tells you your mic is on and working. Before using it in front of a class, it's important to make sure the volume is set to the right level. First, we need to know where the volume buttons are located. The volume down is on the left side with the minus sign. The volume up button is on the right side with a plus sign on it. Try increasing and decreasing the volume. Too much volume will cause feedback and distortion. If you hear feedback, turn down the volume and or step away from the speakers. When the volume is properly set, you should barely be able to hear the amplification while standing in the front of the classroom. In fact, when you set up the mic for the first time, it might be useful to have an assistant in the back of the room, verifying when the volume is just right. Adjusting the volume is easy. The control feature is even simpler and is compatible with a second microphone, which can be passed among the classroom for student usage. The teacher has total control over all other microphones by simply pressing a button. The A button is teacher-only mode. The microphone is already preset to this position. The B button is a student and teacher mode. It allows another microphone to be used in the classroom. To disable the student microphone and return to the teacher-only mode, simply press the A button. Remember, the moment you step outside of the classroom or behind a wall, the microphone automatically disconnects itself from the receiver and no longer transmits your voice. The link light will now start flashing. The microphone will automatically relink itself as you enter the classroom. With a teacher's demanding schedule and unexpected events, this is a convenient and welcome feature. In summary, I have now shown you how easy it is to set up and use a Calypso microphone. As a reminder, it's always important to keep your microphone fully charged. If the battery light starts flashing during use, it means you have about 2 hours left of talk time, so don't forget to recharge your mic. As one last note, if the link light flashes constantly, it probably means that there was a power outage and the system was reset. Simply move within 3 to 4 feet of the receiver and power the microphone off and on again to reset the link. Well, that's all there is to using Calypso's microphone system. It's that simple. I want to thank you for being heard with Calypso.